Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and to my new audience, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial, we want to learn how to draft a cowl neckline top. You will draft it, then cut and sew as well. So what you need is your basic bodice, your ruler, your tape, your scissors, your pencil. So if you don't know how to draft your basic bodies, check for it on our channel. You will see one, then you can learn how to draft basic bodies. So using your basic bodies, the first thing you will do is for you to measure your shoulder line, then divide it into 3. This is about 5.5 inches, or divide it into 3. So I will draw a line, a straight line from the first point to my center front. Then I will join the second line, then the tip of the shoulder line. I will draw a straight line as well. Then I will connect it to my chest line, that of the shoulder line, connect it to my chest line. Then I will slash all this line open. Remember not to cut it out, just slash it to the end, but don't cut it all. Then chest line, you will slash it as well. Remember not to cut it all. Then the next thing you will do is to grab another pattern paper. When you grab another paper, you place your basic bodies that you have slashed already. Note that you are going to spread your already slashed pattern depending on how deep you want the fall on your neckline. I want mine to be about 11 inches from my chest line, so I will mark that point. I'll mark my 11 inches here. So I will tape down my pattern to the new plain paper. Tape it down so that it doesn't shift. So I will use my paper tape to tape down the armhole. Make sure it is straight so that it will match up with your back. Tape down your shoulder line. So I have taped down all those slash that I slashed. So the next thing will be for me to draw a straight line here from the tip of the shoulder, this shoulder, or draw a straight line. Then I will connect the line to my center front. I will trace out, let me use marker so that it will be visible. Trace out the armhole. Then I will trace the shoulder line. I will trace the shape of my basic bodice. I'll take off my pattern. I will cut my pattern. So this is our pattern. I'll use it to cut the fabric. My fabric is on fold. So I've pinned down my pattern. So I'll cut it now. So I've finished cutting my front pattern. I believe you can see. So now I want to cut the back. I'll cut my back. So that is my back pattern. So you can see I've cut two. So this is my back piece. So let's go straight into the sewing. I'm going to cut another piece for the turning of the neck line for the front. So I'll fold it the same way into two. I will cut it. The folding, I want it to stop just few inches below the armhole. So I'll cut it out. So this is what I'll be using to turn the neckline for my front piece. Right side facing each other. I'll go to my sewing machine. Sew it here, sew it here, sew it here, sew it all around to this point. Okay, that is for the front For the back, I'm not using zipper. First of all, join it all the way to the down part. Let's join the front piece. So for the back, I'm going to join the center part together, then I'll turn the neckline. So I'll finish joining the back. So now I want to use another material to turn the neck, but before then I want to cut the material I want to use for the neck. So I'll finish cutting the material I'm using. I'll be using to turn the neck line for the back. So the next thing I will do, I'll carry my back panel, place it right side facing each other. Then I will go to my sewing machine. I will turn the neckline for the back. I'll turn it this way, join both shoulders, this one, this side, then join the armhole. I will turn it out there, bring it for you to see. So I'll finish sewing the back, turning the neck of the back. Now I want to join both shoulder. So I will sew from this point of the shoulder to this point of the shoulder. I will repeat same for this other side. Then I will bring it back for you to see. So I've joined both shoulder. Can you see how neat it is? That's the back side. This is the front side. So the next thing will be for me to join both side seam. So I'll turn it to the outside, to the inside, pin. Pin down my measurement. I will go to my sewing machine, sew both seam. Sew both seam, then I will bring it for you to see. Thank you so much for watching. This is the outcome of our beautiful cowl neckline top. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting sewing tutorials. Thank you and see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.